a little simmer pot going on the stove and showing you my new calendar for 2024. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Berries. Well, today I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed because I have so many things that I'd like to do and get it done. But that's okay, we're just going to take our time getting things put away for Christmas, from Christmas. Get all our Christmas decorations down and safely put away for next year. So, if you hear any noise in the background, that's just my husband making himself something to eat, which is good. Gotta eat. Anyhow, I thought the first thing I'd do is I would make a simmer pot. Just for fun. Never made one before. Thought it would be fun. I have a whole bunch of oranges in my fridge, and some of them aren't the greatest. I'm going to let my puppy dog in because he wants in from outside. Come on in, puppy dog. I did quite a few things yesterday, unpacking my stuff and getting them put in place where they belong. So I'm kind of tired, but I thought I'd put this little pot on. Put it on the back burner and put it on high, and I sliced up, oh, there's the other dog. Old Dave's going to let him in, that's good. And I sliced up some oranges and they don't look very good, so I'm going to put them in that pot. And I'm going to get a few more oranges out of the fridge because they still smell good. Yeah, this one's really dry, so it can go in the simmer pot. So enough of those. And I have 3 little apples here. They actually don't look too bad. Maybe I'll just some of those in. What do we got for spices? David can help me here because he does this stuff, I don't.
No spices up there.
We got vanilla. Can always put vanilla in, and always smells good. And cinnamon.
Got some.
This cupboard always smells so good. Cut up another orange and see if it's edible, because I'm eating oranges. That's what started this whole process. Yeah, this one looks good. Oh, thanks. And I'm going to put some cinnamon in here, and we're just going to let this boil. And hopefully it'll make the house smell wonderful. And it'll inspire us to, oops, get busy doing something. Okay, there's my little simmer pot. Got lots of cinnamon, lots of vanilla, oranges and apples. And that's what we'll go for. This is my plate of oranges, so I'm going to sit and eat. And I'm going to put these back in the fridge, which is beeping at us because we got the door open.
That is hot.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Dave got hot sauce for Christmas from his son-in-law, and he says it is hot. So if you want something hot, here we go. I don't know how to say that. How do you say it?
It's called
Jolo.
Jolokia ghost pepper.
Jolokia Ghost Pepper. Whew. Well, I won't be eating that. Those are, I figured they'd get eaten. There we go. Just wipe the stove up. And we'll let our little pot sit back here and simmer. And enjoy the beautiful fragrance. I decided one thing I could do today is I can show you my calendar. Dave's getting rid of the cracker box from off the table. We got lots of fun stuff for Christmas, and I have on my Mama Bear slippers that I got. My son had my name this year. We draw names every year, and my son had my name. And that's just one of the gifts he gave me. I have this is another gift he gave me. Here's my light on a stand, which that's pretty neat, eh? I'm thinking I can use these ones for my fairy gardens. Every year I buy myself a hearth and home calendar. And I didn't get around to videoing this to show you guys what it looked like this year. And I haven't even put it up yet. So I'm going to do that today. That's one of the things I will do. And this is the calendar. And it's artwork by Susan Wingett, the 36th edition. And it's 2024, of course. So the first picture is January, and it's a beautiful snowman. I always find really pretty calendars. And it's got cardinals. It's very, very pretty, this picture. Oh, Dave just handed me my calendar holder. And this is the February month picture. It's very pretty. It's birds with the birdhouse. March. That's a cute one. And it's got a little Easter bunny in it. So, when is Easter? This has everything on it. Nope, March is St. Patrick's Day. There's Palm Sunday. So, Good Friday. Oh, Easter Sunday is the 31st of March. Yes. And here's April. Beautiful, beautiful pictures for April. And that's my birthday, the 13th. So I'll have to call the family together and have a birthday dinner. Out. And May. It's a beautiful month. Both my children were born in May, and our wedding anniversary is also in May. So it's a big month for our family. And June. May, June, July, August, and September will be at our new spot for our RV. Be at our new RV spot in McGrath at the Covered Wagon. So we will have videos all about that all summer long. Something to look forward to. Here's our beautiful July with all the flowers and the birdies. This is such a pretty, pretty calendar. And I sure hope you're getting a good view of it. And here's August. We're at the beach, which we'll be doing. My husband and I kayak. So we'll be taking our kayaks to a lake nearby. Hubby fishes, and I like to swim and just paddle. And of course I'll have videos from that. And here's our September. We got apples and bicycles, which we will be doing out at our new site. David and I have bikes and we ride our bikes as well. And October, coming into fall, all the beautiful pumpkins. And in Alberta, it is harvest time. Lots of farmers in this area getting in all the crops. And November, they're still doing their harvesting. You got apples and pears and corn. All this stuff is around here. And it says autumn blessings. Such a pretty calendar. And oops, I think I missed was that November? Oh, that was. Okay. And December. And in December, that's when my son-in-law has a birthday. And my husband has a birthday. And it's Christmas. And it's a busy month. And it's always, always fun. Oh, I forgot to mention, in November, it's my daughter's anniversary. My daughter and son-in-law's anniversary is in November. So, we have a little lowdown of our family birthdays and stuff. And this is a beautiful calendar with a picture for December, a Christmas tree, and the cardinals looking in the window. This is a beautiful, beautiful calendar. Let's just... Okay, Susan Wingett. Susan is thrilled to be celebrating painting the Hearth and Home calendar for over 35 years. As her first calendar, she is both delighted and humbled that it has become a Lang tradition through the years. The paintings reveal Susan's heart as she depicts cherished scenes of home and family. Warm sentiments paired with classic style life rendering, capturing memories from Susan's everyday life on her farm. Each painting will bring a mind reminiscent feeling of simple, joy-filled time spent with family and friends. And that's just a little thing about her. And I only read part of it. It's very interesting. And that's Susan. So, if you ever want a beautiful calendar to hang in your home, there are many, many different ones and many, many different artists, which makes it more fun, because then I can do a different artist every year. And last year I did a video on John Sloan's Country Seasons, and this is his calendar that I hung all year for 2023. Brought me lots of joy. So now I'm going to put this calendar in my calendar holder, and it just slips in there perfect. My sister-in-law made this for me many years ago. And my husband just said maybe it was the brother-in-law, and maybe her husband cut the frame out, I'm not sure. But I have painted it since then, just to give it a little different decor. And took the hooks off the bottom. There were hooks on the bottom. I just took the hooks off of there. And so now I'm going to hang my calendar up on the wall where it stays. Oops, fix the nail. There we go. There we go. That's my little video for today. That's my little video for today. This is just a little bonus video that I'm going to put up. Hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this content, please subscribe, like, comment, let me know who's out there. And Happy New Year again. I know I said it yesterday. And we'll check on my little pot before we go. Going to give this a little stir. Mix the cinnamon in. And now we can smell it. So we'll just bring it back up to a little boil and then we'll turn it down to a simmer. Because it's a simmering pot. And there it is. And it smells very good. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.